Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a booking that you have made on Airbnb. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, just tap on the sign in button and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the Explore page, you will see various different places that you can book. Now, in order to make a reservation, you can simply tap on the place that you are interested in and then proceed forward with the reserve button. If you have already made a reservation and your booking has been confirmed, then it will appear within the trips section. Go ahead and tap on trips and you will see all of your bookings that you have made. Alongside your booking, you will also see the cancel button. Just tap on the cancel button and it will begin your cancellation of the booking that you have made. You may also be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. After tapping on the cancel button, your reservation will now be cancelled. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel a reservation on Airbnb. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.